Hi guys, I am in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. This is your real estate agent, Lizzie. Guys, this is Drax Manor, St. Anne, Ocho Rios. I just showed my client a property here and I am telling you the property is amazing. Listen, if you want to have a feel of Florida, but better here in Jamaica, this is the place for you. I am telling you guys, this is just, I love it. It's amazing. It is quiet. It is family oriented. And this is one of those places where if you want to retire, this is right for you. You're practically in the middle of everything, you know? The Ocho Rios town is like 8 minutes from here, and you know that, high tourist volume there. And if this is something, this can be an investment property for you as well. Or if you want to bring up your family here, this is perfect. Just think about an area where your children are here and you don't have to worry about their security. Guys, by talking about security, the security here is top notch. You're talking about 24-hour security. When you're entering this property, the person you're coming to have to call the security post, let them know that you're coming, and once you're there, oh my gosh, you still have to give your ID for verification, and then you have to fill out a form, and then you can enter. So guys, just think about, you're tired, you're coming and you cannot manage the have you ever felt exhausted yet and you come in and you fall asleep with your key in the door? Yeah, this is one of those places you can chance that, because again, security is top notch here. I want to show you the rest of this space. Come along with me, please. Let's go. Oh my God. So yes guys, as you can see, the tropical view, well, look at this place, very tropical. I'm in love with it. The area is lush. You have the nice mountains over there. For those of us who like and love nature, this is perfect for you. And of course, here in Jamaica, you have your palm trees, very lovely. Same as in Florida, of course. Again, as I've said, if you want to have a feel of Florida here in Jamaica, but better, this is the place for you. Just take a look at the area, guys. Just look. Pull your eyes. Tell me what you're thinking about it, because I am in love with this place. It's not every day you come into an area and you're like, this gives you this homely feeling. But here in Drax Manor, St. Anne, trust me, it's beautiful, it's amazing. Again, the security here is top notch. You don't have to worry about your safety. Come on, how many places you can go and you can say, okay, then my safety is their number one priority. Here in Drax Manor, yes, they take security to another level, and that's amazing. That's something that you have to take into consideration in 2024, yeah. So guys, if you want to have a feel of the beautiful islands of Jamaica, yes, this is the place for you. You want to come back home? This is the place for you. Everything is here. All right? So yeah, and of course, this is your real estate agent, Lizzie, with Century 21 Evo Properties. I'm telling you, look out for this and enjoy it. Just take a look through my camera's eyes at the beautiful scenery here, and I am telling you, you would not be disappointed if you're living here, because I'm telling you, if you guys want, you guys can buy me a property here. I'll take it. I'll relocate from Kingston to St. Anne in a heartbeat. Just think about it. I am a tourist every day. 365 days of the year. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm loving this. So I am going, well, I'm driving now, so later. Love you. Mwah. Oh yeah, one more thing. I was trying to figure out, yes, something has been on my mind. Please like this video, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. More of this is coming your way, and of course, if you have any thoughts on your mind, just hit me up in the comment section. See ya. Mwah. Bye.